A type 1 error occurs when the options they gave are A. The null hypothesis is rejected when it is false. B. The null hypothesis is not rejected when it is false. C. The null hypothesis is not rejected when it is true. Or D. The null hypothesis is rejected when it is true. So the answer for this question is D. The null hypothesis is rejected when it is true. So true rejection. Now see how do we come to the answer. Whenever this question arrives like a type 1 error or a type 2 error, I told you that you should put a table. You write down type 1 error and this is type 2 error. Type 2 error. You will be given a pen or a pencil and a paper in the examination for rough notes. So you have to put the table in this manner. Okay, then write positivities and negativities. How will you write? This is 1. So in type 1 error is also called as alpha. Type 2 is also called as beta. So this is 1, you write as 1, and this is 2, you write as 2. So how will you convert it? You convert it into positive. You convert this type 2 into negative. What are they? Both of them are false positives and false negatives. Then next, accepted or rejected. Accepted or rejected. Okay. How will you put it in the table? This was false positive. So it was rejected. Truly rejected. This is false negative. So because this is truly rejected, then this will be falsely accepted. This is the only table what you have supposed to put or supposed to by heart to answer this type of question where they ask for regarding type 1 error and type 2 error. Because ours is only a basic course, that is examination for BCBR, basic course in biomedical research. Our subject or our idea pertaining to this table should be sufficient to answer this question. Now, coming to the answer for this question, a type 1 error occurs 1. Let us see the options. Option A, they gave that the null hypothesis is rejected when it is false. Is it possible? Rejected when it is false. Rejected when it is false is wrong. So this is not the answer. The null hypothesis is not rejected when it is false. Not rejected when it is false is what? Not rejected implies it is accepted. Not rejected means it is accepted. When if it is accepted when it is false is this one, this box. So this should be a type 2 error, not a type 1 error. So even this is not the answer for this question. Third one, the null hypothesis is not rejected when it is true. Not rejected when it is true. When it is true, there is nothing like not rejected. Here it is was rejected. So even this is a wrong statement. Now let us come to the fourth statement. The null hypothesis is rejected when it is true. It is rejected when it is true. So this comes for type 1 error. Type 1 error. So this is the answer for this question. So this is how you have to answer this type 1 error and type 2 error questions.